Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioners were granted regular pay scale with effect from 1/10/1992, vide the memorandum dated 3/9/1992, which made it clear that they were entitled to the benefit of regular pay scale with effect from 22/10/1992 and not before. Stop. Cadre strength and cadre service cannot be upset by the conversion of some fixed pay posts into regular posts outside the cadre. Stop. The mere granting of regular pay scale cannot be equated with the appointment to a regular post in a cadre service. Stop. The petitioners cannot expect pay scale attached to the cadre service as they were not born in the cadre service. There is a gulf of difference between a junior engineer in the cadre service and a junior engineer outside the cadre service. Stop. The extension of the benefit of higher pay scale to junior engineers, both mechanical and electrical, in terms of the interim order passed by this court, cannot entitle the petitioners to claim parity with the junior engineers in the cadre posts as they are class apart, and such benefit is in any case subject to final order of this court. Stop. These are the main contentions of the state respondents in defending the impugned actions / decisions. Stop. Refuting the contentions of the learned counsel for the petitioners, Mr. B.C. Das, the learned Advocate General Tripura, argues that the claim of the petitioners, who were merely appointed on fixed pay basis for parity with the junior engineers who were appointed by due process of recruitment, is absurd and misconceived, and their seniority vis-a-vis the regularly appointed junior engineer can be counted for the purpose of seniority only from 30/12/2003. It is a well settled proposition of law that no retrospective appointment can be granted, nor can any seniority be granted on retrospective basis from a date when an employee has not even borne in the cadre, particularly in a case such as this when this would adversely affect the seniority of those appointees who have been validly appointed in the meantime. Stop. He maintains that the benefit of career advancement scheme within bracket CAS, which is conceived to address the grievance of those who could not get promotion even after serving in their posts for years and years altogether, can be granted only to those completed the qualifying service in a regular post, and not to the petitioners whose services were incadred only in 2003. Para 245 his submissions. The learned Advocate General relies on the decisions of the Apex Court in Secretary, State of Karnataka and others versus Uma Devi and others within bracket 2006 for SCC 1. Stop. Contending that there is no merit in the contentions of the learned counsel for petitioners, the learned Advocate General seeks the dismissal of the writ petitions. Stop. After giving my earnest consideration to the rival submissions advanced by the learned counsel appearing for the rival parties, it becomes obvious that the first question for consideration in these writ petitions is whether the petitioners can count their seniority with effect from 1/10/1992, when their appointment as fixed pay junior engineers was converted into regular posts of junior engineers, or with effect from 30/12/2003. Over.